Guys, don't steal my account. Please don't steal my account, man. Kodak. Kodak, and you know that. Yeah. Such a good
Got it two-tone. Me Slim was warming up my feet. And I wasn't poor. Star, boy, I popped a nigga in 3. I made it out of jail. God, niggas still dying in the P. My family used to straw. God, now they spending money like me. My drip leave a pop. Oh, I'ma keep design on my feet. I can make a check in my sleep. I stay in my lane like a street. Only want the range for a week. It's Trinity bands for the seats. Commas come on all my receipts. I feel like a dog I can eat. Head into the doors of a Jeep. I don't play with my nose, but I'm geek.
Let's lock in. Let's lock in. Lock in.
I think a vibe, sticking it, digging aside. She ain't got no weight but got thighs. Hop in the coupe and let's ride. Hop a Chanel on the high. Took her ring for surprise. Maybe best seat that recline. Roll up some cookie, get high. Hop a Chanel on the high. Sticking it, digging aside. She ain't got no weight but got thighs. Hop in the coupe and let's ride. Hop a Chanel on the high. Took her ring for surprise. Maybe best seat that recline. Roll up some cookie, get high. I put Chanel on the high. Took her ring for surprise. Maybe best seat that recline. Roll up some cookie, get high. Nigga, I hope you don't die. Fuck a bitch every day, I don't get tired. Rising, I might drop some nut in the high. Memory jeans help me find my size. Drippin' drunk nigga, I hope you don't die. In the city and I'm still having vibes. My bitches are mistress, I don't wanna bride. Actress for pussy, I don't wanna buy. I could kid it.
Yak attack.
Yo, Swush up.
Yo, good morning.
Rest in peace, my grandpa. He had 27 kids. I hope our legacy
Bro, I got
live
bad
on.
news.
But I got more money than him. I got
What's
money
up?
older than my grandpa.
Dude, I got bad news.
What's the news?
Bro, so you know how I left the chat yesterday up?
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, you probably don't even remember, but when I dipped yesterday, I was like, oh, I'm up, guys. I'm out.
Yeah.
And that's just because I didn't want to keep trading because I didn't want to lose it. I was like,
Mm.
nah, because what I'll do is I'll overtrade or whatever. So I was just like, I hopped off and then I was like still looking at the markets and checking them out. And I was able to scalp another trade, bro. I was up over 1,000, bro, yesterday. I
Damn.
was up over 1,000, but when I was at work today, bro, on my lunch and on my breaks, I kept fiending, bro. I was fiending so bad. I kept looking at the markets and like thinking I was gonna catch like hella moves and stuff. And I did call them, but they were all like way too early and like it just didn't pen. It just I got stopped out a bunch of times. And so, bro, I got the drawdown for the day, bro.
Oh my god.
Even before market even opened, bro. I'm so disappointed, dude. I'm still gonna check it out with you guys and just like thankfully I didn't blow the account because I was up Monday night or whatever. So, but still, you know how it is when you hit drawdown.
Yeah. Are you still up on that account though?
No, now I'm like dude. I might be up a couple dollars. Yeah, I'm up $17.
Overall?
Yeah, just in total. Like I didn't
Uh,
lose everything I had made. I'm up like 17, but
Damn,
still,
bro.
this sucks, bro.
You
I
you
got, you know what I mean?
you need to
I just got
have like a rule with yourself where you don't trade like a certain amount of trades during aftermarket.
Dude, if I had the discipline, Swisher, I would make it zero, bro. If I, yeah, I would. As soon as I'm done, bro, I'm done. You know what I mean? Like I
Yeah.
do, because it's like, so. Oh, dude, market's creating a nice gap. This might turn into man. This might turn into a fair value. Keep your eye on this.
Yeah.
If this creates a fair value gap, man, we're going. We're either jumping or yeah. I mean, there's definitely still room because we haven't taken out the high yet of the day,
The
but.
the thing I'm looking for is NQ's very close to the all-time high, but
Yeah,
ES is
we are.
still like a little ways away. So,
Yeah, yeah.
There's just this massive jump on the NQ.
So you're looking at
yeah.
SMT, you're looking at SMT then, the divergence.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yo, what's good morning, bro? How you doing?
Doing good, doing good. Good morning.
Peace. You be watching One Piece, the anime?
Three
Me,
piece.
nah, nah.
All right.
Bro, One
If you
Piece is
like, bro,
fire though.
dude, it's creating a gap, bro. Keep your eye out, bro. This is like, I don't know. This is really, if you're bullish, this is very, very good for you. If you're bearish, not so much. I'm looking at the 1 minute, so I'm really trying to find those like little gaps in the market that will get us like really good entries. If I was trading, really, but unfortunately, I can't hit that buy button, or otherwise I would. If I hadn't blown this one, I would have definitely been in the longs already. Just one or two.
Yo,
I didn't go
new
full.
do you, Newt guy caught the pump on 10 cons this morning.
No, bro. No.
What
Where?
the fuck?
There's no way, bro. Off the bell move 10 cons? Bro, that's crazy. What?
Holy
This is
shit.
doing freaking Traders Evolve, bro. Stop block. Oh, but the stop block is at break even. That's hella fire. That's actually hella smart.
Yeah,
That's
that
not
is
actually
insane.
not a bad trade. Like low key, that's kind of a good trade actually. Because if you say your stop loss at break even, so even if you get stopped out, it's like okay. But look, he's about to get stopped out though. Oh my guy got stopped out.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yo, Duke, my guy. I hope you sold, bro. Otherwise, you just got. Otherwise, you definitely just got knocked out. Yeah,
Lucky
now that
took TP.
technically and this is an inverse fair value gap now. Technically,
Yo, welcome in, Merd.
yo,
Yo, yo.
What's
yo,
good?
was good.
Hope you guys took profit.
Oh,
I
I'm
didn't.
not in that, bro.
Yeah, I didn't get it.
I think Newt guy is the only
Eh,
one crazy enough.
Oh, that's actually crazy, bro.
10 cons, that's fucked.
Dude, he just got stopped out, bro. 10. He really thought that. And I mean, it had potential to pump, bro. Like if you look, there's those levels up there still, right? Or did it touch into it? A little bit. There was a little room.
It actually rejected off the previous high,
Yeah,
like the
that
closest
must
previous high.
be bearish now.
I'm most likely gonna sell. Thank you.
Yeah, it
Yes,
looks like
So,
I agree.
we're going off our inverse fair value gap now because now that it reverted, there's a high probability this is going to go down. A really high probability. It's a small gap, but it still follows the rules, which means we're technically bearish right now.
yeah, and also on the short term, it closed beneath the 100 EMA as well on 15 minute. Says
Mhm.
there's gonna be a short play.
Yep.
Yeah.
Just and yeah, it's fucking going down hard.
We're on an inverse. Yep. This is going to go down, dude.
Should
This
have
is going to
entered
drop.
shorts at open.
If
Yeah.
it consolidates,
Goddamn.
it can consolidate up into the middle of that wick at 933. It can consolidate up to there. If it does, I would hit a short if I was trading this. Because that's like a sniper entry, or maybe maybe the bar above it, but that'd be like perfect entry.
Yeah, the thing is, it's
Yeah, it's not dropping on it. It's consolidating, which I mean that's not the worst thing. Could give you an opportunity to jump back in.
to be honest, it looks like a fake out. Since I'm trading the shorter time frames, it looks like it's a fake out. To be honest. The way it's building structure on the lower time frames.
Could be,
But
but
like it's just basically grabbing liquidity now and then it's gonna make a new push up.
Yeah, I do agree with that. I think we see like some of these lows first.
And then also like any second now on the shorter time frames is gonna like get really oversold as well. I don't
Wait,
know.
so are you trading
Crazy
NQ?
move though. Yeah, but I'm trading the index, so it's kind of the same. It's just
Okay.
like
is it the
uh,
NAS? Or you're doing the NAS 100?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
If you
yo, this guy, bro.
well, if you're in these, bro,
You're
you could
crazy.
hold up to like 699. I'm pretty confident it'll go at least to that level because it already consolidated it. It kind of consolidated into it after it rejected. So it's gonna if it could tap it or go lower, technically,
Yeah.
because there's another level below it. So this is, I mean, if you're in this, but like you said, it could be a fake out. I've definitely seen that before, so it's possible. But are you trading on the 1 minute or like what are you on?
30 seconds.
Yeah, see, I'm not on that. I got the you paid for
30
the extra
seconds.
on TradingView. Are you using TradingView or not?
No, my platform has its own
Oh, okay. See, I have to
thingy.
pay it if I want to go. I'm on the 1 minute, but I guess we'll see.
Yeah.
Then again, I took a setup right now on the Euro USD, so I'm kind of locked into that one. Full margin, fucking going crazy.
You went full send on it.
Yeah. But the thing is, I can do it because I trade such a low time frame, and my stops are so tight. So it's still like I still keep my risk really small.
Right. That's actually really smart. That way, because it's like you're kind of playing. You're obviously using more leverage, but you're like giving yourself a safety net too. So
Yeah. Yeah, I'm usually not risking. Like if it's a really good setup, I'm risking max 2%,
mm.
absolute max. Um, but that is if I put my full position in. Usually only trade with half.
Are you trying to
Order
catch shorts
submitted.
or not?
Huh?
Are you trying to catch these shorts right now or not?
No, I'm
Order
gonna
filled.
like if I manage to get out in like a few seconds from my Euro USD, I'm actually gonna buy mass for a short squeeze up,
Mm.
but not yet though.
Order
Just-
submitted.
See what happens first.
Stop filled.
yeah.
Order filled.
Oh, someone entered.
Aria, how's it going?
Dude, I'm still trying to figure this out.
What are you trying to, what?
No, I'm just like learning like all these buttons and shit. Like I'm like practicing trading. Like that order fill was just me. Like I'm up like 8 ticks or something.
Oh, are you on TradingView or what? Or on TradeOvate?
I'm on Ninja Trader.
Oh, nice, dude. Sick. Are you
This
doing
is
futures?
his like first day trading in Q.
Yo, we got a coach on, bro.
No, you guys gotta put me on. You guys gotta put me on.
We gotta put him on, bro. Yeah, dude. I don't know. I mean, did you just take a long though, or what'd you get into? Did you short it, or
I just bought like a call type like an ask. I didn't ask.
oh, you put it at okay.
Just for like a
Eh,
little short squeeze out, and then
If
like
you're trying to get good
Yeah.
entry, I would either just do market or limit orders. I never really do better
yeah,
odds.
I usually just do limit. I don't really do market. I feel like market kind of screws you most of the
Yeah,
time. At least it
market
does with like
is
options.
worse.
Me personally, I set limit too. Yeah, market because it'll consolidate back into your price like
Like,
50.
what's like a good amount of ticks to get? Because like right now I'm up like 11 ticks. I might as well just hop out. It's pretty solid.
If you're in the longs, it could go up more, like
Order filled.
a bit.
So
Probably just, like be patient and see what happens.
no, I think it'll probably hit like the 200 MA again and just fall. Probably what happened. But it's going pretty good. I don't know. I'm still like learning. Like it's just a
Not
lot quicker. It's just a lot quicker than I'm used to. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
with
definitely
yeah.
quicker.
No, but all it is, it's a day at a time, bro. You just take one step in and then learn step by step. It's like everything else.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I'm gonna try to do like a week of this and see like how I'm feeling after a week, and then I'll decide if I want to like.
I hope that you probably like this more. I don't know. I think this is so much simpler, my opinion.
Yeah, I think I will like this, especially like with like you guys. Like if I'm able to like do this every morning with you guys, like if I have any questions, whatever, like it's definitely helps. You know.
Yeah, dude. The only thing is we all
Sir.
kind of think a little bit different, so it's like you might get an answer, people.
Yeah, but like it's even though it's all different, like it's still like I'm still learning, so it's all
Right.
good.
True.
I think that's kind of good though that we all trade different because like you can pick up from different strategies from here and there. Like you can pick up from ICT from Dubster if you want,
Right.
or like everyone just trades differently, so you can pick up on what everyone does.
Be sick, dude. I don't know. It's just like so. It's so quick. Like you could literally just make like a couple $100 and then you're done. Like
Yeah.
I'm gonna enter short.
Order submitted.
Okay, or don't fill me.
Order filled.
ooh, I got filled. I'm lit.
Order filled.
I'm gonna test shorts here.
Just gotta break under this resistance line. There's like I put a line at like one. I think it's at 177.08 or something like that. Somewhere around there.
Stop filled.
Oh, my stop got filled.
Stop
Okay.
filled.
You guys shorted?
Yeah, I'm stopped.
Yeah.
I just bought.
That was probably such a good entry down there. Wicked straight up.
I want to see him take a trade, Dutch, because like I feel like with this, I'd be taking a trade like every like 5 minutes.
Hmm.
Well, that's what you have to fight, right? That's what you have to like
Yeah.
know what you're doing, or at least try to.
Let's see if we reject here
We want to find the
on the
intervals
fair
in which the
value
function
gap.
is increasing and decreasing. We watch you live on YouTube.
Grand Rise.
Good morning. Let's see if we reject at this fair value gap. What is that echo?
And so, bro, I got the drawdown for the day, bro.
Are you on my stream?
No, I'm not. I don't know
Are
who
you in
that.
the stream already?
I'm watching it, bro. I gotta watch it. Why is that? Is that like bad?
No, not at
No,
all. It's just
I do that sometimes.
I can hear it in your speaker.
I turned it off the volume.
Yeah, seeing like stuff on Twitter, bro, like charts and stuff.
You've been posting on Twitter?
Yeah, yeah, because I seen there's like a huge trading community on here.
Yeah. Yeah, Twitter's sick.
Yeah.
What's up, gangsters? When do we short? No, I'm just joking.
I'm looking for shorts here because we're at a fair value gap on the 5 minute.
Unless my only thing was, yeah, the Bulls showed us that they don't give a fuck about the
Oh,
Bears, you know.
yeah.
So I'm kind of like, just like that dude waiting for the squeeze because these motherfuckers will rape a short. But at this point, you make sense though, right? This is where you would short at the top.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I would have done. If you are gonna go short, just be careful. Like it can consolidate up a bit, but then if we go back up into like I would say anywhere in like the 739 level, I would go in short. That's a good entry, but just set a
Yeah,
tight stop loss in case it doesn't go your way, and if see what happens.
makes sense. Like risk.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, you don't have to risk like 50 levels. You a couple
yeah,
ticks.
yeah. That's one of my things, man. I'll miss the move most of it and then try to short and then get raped on the way back. So I gotta be on top of it.
Yeah. Like me personally, I've gone from like I used to do like 100 stop loss, and then I did 50, and then now I'm like I'm closing up like 35 every trade. I'll just tight 35 every single time.
That's awesome.
That
35
way you
tick
just
stop.
yeah, like 35 ticks, bro, and then if I get stopped out, it is what it is.
Right.
It still hurts a bit, but you got a little bit more leverage, so like you could if you mess up, you
Order
just go back
filled.
in. With 35 ticks, you can go in a couple times if you need to.
Dutch, what time frame are you watching the NQ on?
This is 1 minute, and I have the 5 minute up. Also,
Right.
Stuck.
come on, let's fucking go. Let's go down, bro. The last couple of weeks have been like that. Like the bulls have just been like pumping this thing when it should not be pumping. It's been crazy to watch.
Yeah. And that whole Mag 7 holding up the market, basically, right? Mag 8 or whatever you want to call it. We're just waiting for them to decide when they want to sell the market, you know? That's
Yeah.
pretty much, you know, letting the whales.
It's
roll
been
it.
crazy though. Like we've been reaching for new all-time highs every single time we're up here.
Yeah.
So,
And that's the thing is like it can't, you know, if the market technically wants to go back up, it'll do it. But at the same time, the shorts are looking not too bad. I know we got
I
now.
tested some at the top. I just wanted
Yeah.
to test it. And I'm
We
riding
also
down to the 676 area.
Their fair value gap technically, so or it's about to, which means there's a good chance we're still bearish. Really good chance.
I'm up 120 tick right now.
Good job. My only thing is I'm doing the micros, but if you do minis, you know, it's kind of hard to phase out unless, you know, you got multiple going. That was the only thing I noticed on the, not that I know anything about trading, but I'm just like.
No, yeah, well, with micros, it's like you have way more opportunities. You don't make as much, but it doesn't hurt as bad as if you get into, you know, you lose a couple minis, and it's always gonna sting.
Yeah, I feel like I can, you know, sell on the, you know, way up kind of vibe easier, but I just got my 50 this eval like a week ago, so this is kind of new. I've been raped in the past by futures with real, so I'm kind of like I'm kind of enjoying using someone else's money.
Are you doing Apex or Top Step?
Yeah, Apex.
How long have you been trading futures?
Well, basically just off and on. I was doing options. I mean, when I did real money on futures, the market just, I got stopped out. I tried using my own money, you know, but then I, you know, my account dwindled, and then now I was doing options, and then I was getting raped on options. So now, now I'm back on the prop firm kind of vibe, and I'm realizing some of the benefit. You get the leverage, and you don't have to risk 10K of your money.
Right.
So I can see the benefit, but you do have to know how to trade and hold on, and you know, get like.
Yeah, you gotta be super consistent if you're trading a prop firm.
And I'm switched to like key levels. Like when the market was ripping, I was making, you know, a lot of money. You know, like everybody, a little kid could make money when the market was ripping, right? But then I didn't know what I was doing, and
Target
now that
filled.
the market became, you know, more difficult, then I was like, okay, wow, that's a nice short.
I just caught 160 ticks on that.
Yeah, that's nice.
Target filled.
It might go all the way down to this fib, honestly.
I got 264 ticks off of that.
Oh shit!
Damn.
Good job.
First trade. Here we go. I'm gonna do two more, and then I'm out.
I told you guys, you got two Sibbies, bro, and that quick is you're gonna dip, bro. You're gonna bounce down. It's just what it is. It actually hit it hit my TP too. So, dang,
Insane.
Yeah, I don't know. But right now though, I wouldn't jump in though. Now there's a good chance it could just consolidate. It could drop too, but I think now it might consolidate because it's.
I think we'll come back up a little bit and then push down to the fib. I have a
Yeah.
fib at 638.
Although it did just create another imbalance. Literally, it just created another one on the 1 minute. So I'm not saying to go short, but if you wait a bit, it might be a good opportunity. You could technically keep writing this down.
Because
Are
we're
you out?
kind of
Yeah, well, it left an imbalance. If you're on the 1 minute and you're looking at the 950 candle, there's a gap right there. That's a imbalance, or some people call it order block or fair value gap. But regardless, it's a imbalance. That's a gap of liquidity in the market that indicates something. If this candle right now closes above that gap or imbalance, like it has to close above. It can't just wick. It has to close above it. Then it could go either way. It could go either way. But if it doesn't close above it, if it leaves that gap in there, we could keep dropping down technically. But the thing is, when you get huge drops already like this, when it's already down, it's like it can consolidate. So, because that happened to me earlier, where it like just kind of came back up. So yeah, just like this. So now it could just consolidate, or I don't know.
This thing bounced exactly at my zone at
Yeah, so it
660.
closed above that gap. So yeah, it could go either way. Did you
yeah.
did you though switch it, or what'd you do?
Yeah, I TP'd.
Yeah, got out. Yeah,
Good job, man. Good job locking.
locked in,
Appreciate
bro.
it.
Yeah, that's another way they rape us by not taking profit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm kind of doing key levels. That's kind of staying on the outside, but that ICT stuff sounds interesting. All that fair value. It doesn't sound like the scam that a lot of people, say. People selling courses and stuff.
So the thing is, like all those guys, they would trade off that too, but they just call it something different. Like they're doing the same thing. They're just calling it. It's like semantics. Because I followed both of them, and it's like the same thing. They just call it an imbalance or an order block. But when those guys are trading, they just call it that, and they still kind of do it off that too.
Cool.
Because I was following. I don't know if you've seen the guy from Traders Evolve, Daniel, or whatever, but you seen
Yeah.
him? The guy that's like,
Yeah.
I'm out, or whatever. Like everybody says that about him. But I realized that he trades like very similar to ICT. They just call it different things. But they do things differently. Like Daniel doesn't. I don't know. He does different things, but I liked ICT more. I don't
His
know.
charting is completely different from.
Yeah, it's completely different. Exactly.
Yeah.
But like you said, though, you learn a little bit from both.
Yeah, it's interesting. I listened to you guys. I watched a couple of your Swush's streams, and then I listened to you guys talk about, how your analysis and stuff is. That's kind of, that's cool. That's one of the benefits about all this live streaming and all this stuff is we can learn from each other. I mean, you can fuck each other up, but you can still learn. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like you chew the, what do they say? Chew the meat, spit out the bones, kind of thing. You just learn.
Yeah, because there was a guy when COVID hit, I was in a Starbucks trading, every day, and a guy came up to us, and he was a trader. He was making money, and he said, I wish I was like you guys when I started because it was just me. No one was helping me, and I just pushed through it. I'd probably learn 6 times as fast if I was able to talk to other traders.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
It's true.
it's a
I
No, yeah,
recommend everyone to like find, if you're not like paying for a group, you should find at least like a couple of guys to trade with, or like it's just good to have trading buddies, in my opinion.
yeah.
Help hold each other accountable, and it's also more fun with other people.
Yeah, bro, because I mean, excuse my, but it's a mind screw. You have to learn. I mean, learning about the market, because you could be comparing. I used to be a psych nurse, and I know what true paranoia is. And man, there was a couple times, bro, I thought that market maker was fucking hunting me down. Like, like, I was like, dude, I want to put my fist through this monitor, and I'm not violent. I'm not
Yeah.
violent. Like
The
All
it's
markets.
good.
like,
That's what happened to me earlier, dude. I was up from Monday morning. Dude, Monday morning, I killed it, bro. I stuck to my plan, everything. But I was at work, bro, just a couple hours ago on my lunch break. And I was sitting there with the charts up, and I was like, oh, I'll just take a little trade. Like, I'll just see what's up. And bro, I hit the daily drawdown, bro, like on my lunch break in the middle of the night.
oh
I was so heated, bro. Oh, and then I
yeah,
just had to just suck it up and just be like, that was my fault. I don't have anybody to blame but myself for that.
that's the thing. It's
Yeah.
hard to.
Yeah. Like I can't point the finger, but it still sucks, like for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, so but yeah, bro, because I'll be at work and I'll just be hanging out, just be chilling, and then it's like I can't help myself, bro. I gotta just get in the trade.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, if you go small, I mean, like he said earlier, I'm just going to do a test. Like we say that it's true. We're doing a test, but if we stay small on that test, at least it's a little, less risk, but we still get our beak wet because we want to trade. That's the other thing is deep down inside, we want to fight. Like that's one of my biggest problems is I want to fight that market maker, man. I want to kick his ass. Like, and it's like I can't think like that. It's like they got all the power and they control the market. I'm a minnow. I'm supposed to be working between the whales. We're just getting our little piece of cheese.
Yeah.
And
Well, that's basically what trading is. It's just like taking bites out of the actual bankers and like the mortgage funds and stuff, like we're just taking bits from their transactions.
yeah,
So
totally.
I agree with you 100% on that. But
Yeah,
still, like it helps like understanding how the market moves and having a strategy and plan. Because
yeah.
otherwise, bro, you'll just blow through accounts and like just lose a ton of money. You know what I mean?
Oh,
Yeah.
totally. And originally when the market was bullish, I bought into Zed Monopoly. Then it was like basically a scalp mentality, and it was a course, and then I followed Ricky Gutierrez, but it was like, well, at the time, anything, and I didn't know about stops really. So I kind of feel like now that I've been kicked in the balls and I'm poor, now I'm like, well, dude, now I have to actually know how to trade. So at just the key levels alone and the technicals, trend lines, just those are drastically reducing my issue, you know, like so. I knew that. I wish I did futures. Like when I heard you recommending futures to new guys, I was like, I wish I would have started with the prop firm 5 years ago or whatever. And I think if I applied the same discipline and energy that I did to fighting the
Order
market
submitted.
makers, looks like they're going down, I guess. It's kind of slow though. They're not violently selling off. See, that's what's deceptive.
It's gonna
I'm
go down to
looking
this
for,
fib.
yeah, when they do that
Order
little
canceled.
stair step, it's like, I don't know, man. That could be a setup. It's just to wipe stuff. I don't know. And then maybe we're running out of sellers are waning. But yeah, so it does feel good to have like some kind of a basic. But when I was trading in the middle, like, I mean, yeah, in the bull market, buy dips all day. If I can make $1,000 in 30 seconds or whatever, go in with it. And I sold my house and I was like living off the money of my house and trading and, living la vida loca. But you got to know how to trade.
Yeah.
Market just because they know we're doing this. So that's why it's one strategy doesn't really work all the time. Right? We got to fluctuate with the market.
That's why I don't trade like strictly on like one thing. I like to trade what the market gives. So like one day it might be solely based on price action. Some days it might be off playing fair value gaps, or I feel like
Yeah,
it always just changes. So I don't
yeah,
like
good.
to just stick to one every day.
Yeah, I heard you saying that to someone else. That's probably the best, because you're adapting.
Yeah,
Or
but I mean, some people do like there's like the ICT strategies. Some people do have like 75%, 80% win rates. So it's really just up to you what your edge is, to be honest.
Interesting. So yeah, so we're below yesterday's lows from what I can tell.
No, not yet.
Oh, we're not?
No.
Okay, I'm sorry. Oh,
Yesterday's lows is at 554.25.
4.2. Okay, I got hours. I put like remember we're doing futures, so the time frame is wider, right? You go from like midnight or something. Is that how we like midnight to midnight? Kind of.
No, those midnight open or whatever.
Yeah, like what would be a day of futures? Like
6 p.m. to 4:59 the following day.
thanks,
Or
man.
that day.
6 p.m. There you go. I'm still thinking with it. Equities. I see that low. Yeah, I appreciate it. Cool. But yeah, so I don't know. It's pretty wild. Got to line it. 6:35 reason. What did I put?
Yo, YouTube, I don't know what's going on with my camera. It's the same thing that happened yesterday, bro. This thing just does not want to work sometimes. It's so annoying. So fucking annoying, man. I'm gonna try and fix it, but I can't fix it without ending the stream, so this is gonna be a little annoying. Not gonna lie. Let me see, where's Razor Synapse? There we go. See, my camera doesn't even. Yeah, this shit is broken, bro. It's so broken. Okay, Razor Kaio. Dude, yo, let me tell you guys something, bro. Do not buy any Razer products, bro. Don't buy any Razer products ever, bro. These things suck. Oh my god. These things are so bad, bro. Yeah, like this thing's broken. This thing's broken. We're gonna have to do without a webcam, so. So, yeah. Sorry about that. Need to get this thing fixed.
Gotta do better on my entries.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did the same shit yesterday. Drawdown was at $123.
Yeah.
I scalped my way out of that.
Order
Yeah.
submit. Order filled.
Uh-oh. Taking
Uh-oh.
it short. Taking it short.
Just,
Do you
I mean,
guys have any Razer products, like a Razer mouse or?
yeah, mouse, man. Saw your video, man, on the fucking razors.
Dude, oh I can't, bro. It's so annoying.
I don't know. It hasn't. It works. I mean, this one works. I don't know. It's a razor, but it's all the software that is annoying to me. It keeps putting more stuff. They're trying to get you into the whole razor world, on your
Yeah, I've always been a fan of their stuff, but all of a sudden, like, my mouse scroll wheel broke. My camera is a Razer. That thing's broken, and their support is so bad.
Yeah, that's crazy, man.
Yeah.
I saw that one paid $160 for whatever
Yeah.
glass.
Yeah.
I was like, what? The dudes at the factory kept the glass sliders for themselves.
Yeah, dude, exactly.
I don't know, but I just
They're scamming me left and right.
I wonder if we should order mice from Alibaba, and at least it would be cheaper, you know?
Yeah, dude, my cheap mouse that's like $40, which I've had for triple the amount of time as my other two, has no
Yeah,
problems.
yeah, yeah. I laughed when you said that on your video. I was like, yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah,
Stuff that irritates, you know, the cheap shit will last longer. That tells you the free market is working. It's not free. I mean, for me to, I want that capitalism so that we innovate. I don't want cheap products. The whole point with free market is that we get better.
yeah, and we're literally getting worse.
Yeah,
It's
it's just
crazy.
that's so irritating. Even with the Fed, pumping the market. Okay, you're just spending the those companies should have failed.
If Trump
Uh,
gets in office, he said he's getting rid of Jay Powell. Just funny.
okay, that's interesting.
Yeah, very
Wait,
So,
interesting.
how can he get rid of him? Ain't he
yeah,
damn elected though?
yeah, like Congress, right, or something
Yeah,
appointed or something through Congress.
yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah.
That's what he said. Someone asked him about Jay Powell, and he was like, "Would you re-elect Jay Powell if you become president?" And he's like, "Nope." He's out of there.
Yeah.
Well, then we'll just be calling somebody else's name when the market gets fucked up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's always like they blame the current president. I always remember that everyone blames and it's kind of like it's not really like it is a little bit, but it's not really like it's all the Congress and the presidents before have fucked everyone. We're just it just happens to be this guy is the one. Now some probably make it worse, but it's Congress that they're bought and paid for, man. Both parties they're owned. At least that's what my
Yeah.
view is. Yeah, they go away poor, or they go there middle class, and they come away millionaires, like Nancy Pelosi. All the
Well, she
insiders.
be inside trading like crazy though.
Yeah. So I'm like, well, okay, I just want our piece. That's my thing is if you're gonna send us to war and do all this stuff, okay, but where's the American people's piece of the action? That's all.
Mhm.
And maybe that's what we're doing here is we're trying to, the market. It's the military industrial complex, whatever we can do, man. Tomahawk missiles. Where do we buy buy the dip on Lockheed?
Did you guys see those aftermarket moves in the market last week?
I don't know.
I
I can't remember.
Anyone remember that?
No.
Well, it was Nancy Pelosi making
I know that,
bank.
yeah, there's like some Instagram or some channel that tracks the politicians' investments, so you can copy them.
That's so smart.
Yeah, and
They're probably like swing trades, but that's smart.
yeah, it's pretty wild. I mean, I do like the volatility. I mean, I kind of don't want to be nuclear war, but I do kind of appreciate the fact because that's the thing is like when everything just keeps getting pumped and no one is allowed to fail, they where one group of people get rich, but the rest of the country we don't. Like I said, I think we're supposed to get better. That's what competition means is like we try to do better than the next guy. And I just feel like the government is just so into everything. I mean, 80% of the jobs that were created last year, I think it was 60% or more were government or welfare state jobs. Jobs like in medicine, or although that sounds good, you know. But governmental jobs were like at least 50% of the non. I don't know if it was private but anyway, but it's like a huge portion. So the jobs report comes out, and it they always grease the numbers, revise. It's crazy.
Hey guys, give me a second. I gotta call this tire shop real quick. I'll be right back.
Sure. Yeah, I don't know about this meltdown, man. It doesn't look as violent or impulsive like a panic sell or anything like that. So there's a lot of reluctance, but it looks like it's a slow meltdown. It almost looks algorithm. You think we're going to 550, man, or 450? Everybody.
I'm more.
We hit yesterday's lows, probably what we're headed for. Yeah. 554, 25.
Okay, yeah.
That's definitely a possibility.
What a mind screw for everyone. Like, that's funny. I like that little pump at the beginning. I saw that trade that one guy did on that candle. I didn't have the balls to do it, man, because I didn't want it to trail down. I didn't want it to turn on me and pull, cost me but man, it would have been a nice go in big and nice scalp.
I'm talking about yesterday's, or which one?
Oh, I'm sorry. Today, this morning, the open, there was that first candle. I don't know. Somebody did a.
No, yeah, I wasn't getting into that. Heck no. I was just a straight up gamble. I would have done it if it was a little bit more, but I don't.
Yeah, that's cool. I didn't. I kept myself under control, but it was looking juicy for a second there.
Boys, I think the shorts have run out for the day.
It sounds like it. I mean, it looks like it.
They've got to be exhausted, bro.
But I don't know. We see we're right in between pre-market low and then yesterday's low.
Oh.
Pre-market low.
No, I think the shorts still have a good chance, but it's gonna take some time. It's not gonna just happen right away. Because like after that distribution phase, after that drop down, it can, like I said, it can go through one or two other phases. A manipulation phase, which is where it just drops, or no, I'm sorry, accumulation is where it just drops around and just grabs liquidity, and then
what are we in right now?
This is accumulation. This is an accumulation phase. So it's not going.
How are you determining that? Are you taking the time fib zone?
I'm in the 1 minute, and it's just basic price action. Just look what it's doing. It's consolidate. Like
you're just basing it based on price action.
Yeah, I mean, just look at what it's doing. It's just consolidating. It's not going. And so you're able to just say, okay, well, it didn't break. It's just breaking above that first candle's high. So, but not by much. So it's just gonna accumulate, and then what it's gonna do is it's gonna manipulate. It's gonna go. I don't think right now, but like, or maybe right now, it can go. It can like make you think it's going in one direction through a couple of candles, not just by one or two, but a couple, like at least 3 candles will indicate a move up or down, and then that's going to be a manipulation for smart money to come in and get at at the low or at the high, depending if it's long or short, and then it'll finally distribute. But when you just finish a distribution phase, which we just did, you can guarantee it's going to accumulate. 100% it's going to accumulate. The thing that you're being careful for is when it accumulates. That's what you're trying to look out for. And that's why if you're in profit, you keep your TP tight because you just don't know if it's going to keep going down or not. Even if there's previous levels, it's not guaranteed it's going to keep dropping. So just keep, that's why it's smart to take out, if you're trading multiple contracts, it is extremely wise to take out a couple on a huge drop, if not most of them, because you can't predict the accumulation. That's the hard part. But when it happens, you don't want to take any trades in it. You want to take zero. Just imagine it like barbed wire. Like you don't want to get in that because you're just going to get stopped out, or or it's just because it's not going to go one way or another. It's going to just kind of stay. And you could say like 626 would be like the level, I guess, of it. But yeah, you want to stay away from this. When it starts to show price action in a certain direction, like if it keeps going up a little bit, that could possibly be a fake out. And when it's in that fake out, when it's in that zone, is when you want to try to get a good entry, because then you can bet it's going to go right back down. It's going to drop again. But that's if we break above, or I mean, it depends. It depends because I don't know. That's what I'm thinking it's going to do. But I could be wrong.
I did a little scalp, like 6 points or something, off the trend line breakout. It's like a little $70 thing, 6 micros. But I got out. I didn't stick around because it's not it's not moving fast. But that's kind of what I was doing earlier with options. I was doing it like the trend line breakouts and triangles and stuff, but
Hey there, King.
what's up?
I want to see a fair value gap down here to enter in longs.
And they got that real small one right there. We're at now.
It just created one.
955 candle on the 5 minute.
Oh, on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
And it just created one right now too, like literally. But just wait a little bit more because remember, it could be a manipulate or it could be accumulation still, so it's just gonna go right back down.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I want to see a little bit of a pullback before.
Or see like at least like a market structure shift, which would happen at like.
This is yesterday's setup though. Like this is literally yesterday's setup.
Same exact shit, yeah.
So like literally a pump at market open, and then Elmo boners all the way down. So
now it's time to bring Hawk in.
Yeah.
Waiting for that volume to rip to the moon, baby.
My guess is we drop. I think because it's like
I'd like to see a drop, bro.
My guess is we drop.
I would like to see a drop because this thing has just been on the uptrend for too long.
But the only thing is that, remember, since it's in phases, you got to, because you could be right, but just be in the wrong time of the market, and then it just shits on you, basically. You know what I mean? So I would wait a little.
I've lost a lot of money like that.
Like, yeah, do you guys constantly like move your stop losses and stuff? Like, while you're trading?
No, I don't.
You just leave it where it is.
Like I said, 35 ticks tight, bro. That's it. I'm not messing with nothing more.
Right, but like when you're up, do you like move it up a little bit?
Oh yeah. When I'm up, I
think your shit. Yeah.
You want to do that usually if you can.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because if you're up, well, it depends how many ticks you're up. If I'm only up like 10 ticks, I'll wait a little bit. But when I start getting to like 25, 30 ticks is when I'll move it up, just to be careful.
So like, what's like a good trade? Like, is 25 ticks like a good trade, or like you looking for like more like 50? More?
I look for up to 50, but usually I'll if it's like around 35, I'll take profit, depending. you know.
And just do
But
what you're
if you're brave,
comfortable
yeah,
with.
you hold for 50 ticks.
Right.
Interesting. Green
There
beats
we go.
red. That
There
that
we
looks
go.
like a con.
Order
We
submitted.
could consolidate back up, but remember, I said the market's it wants to trick people into thinking it wants to go back up. You know, it's trying to convince you, oh yeah, I'm gonna go in long, just for it to just boom drop. You know, that's what I'm looking for. That's my bias. So if it hits the 664 level, I would go in probably a short or two, maybe. Um, and then like I said, a tight stop loss, and then even if it hits your stop, it's tight anyway. So you know.
Yeah.
But that would
So
be,
look,
I consider a good trade, me personally.
yeah, it
It,
does look for a long, like for if someone wanted to go long, it looks.
yeah, it's trying to induce people to go long. That's the now it's in the manipulation phase. So there's like first 3 or 4 candles were or just consolidation, just up down, and then now it's like, oh yeah, I'm gonna go up, and then like I said, but it goes by time, you know, so it doesn't just happen right away. But I think it's gonna want to tap back up a couple levels and then just
Hey,
boom.
when you say it goes by time, it's not like you know what I mean, like a market maker or something controlling that, or it's just
No,
the number.
I don't believe I believe market makers exist, but I believe the the system itself is more algorithmic than it is like one person saying who the market goes to or not. It goes off liquidity. That's what the maker would go after anyway, even if there was a market maker. It wouldn't make a difference. It's just
Well,
the
there is
whoever it
market
is wants to
makers.
go.
It's the people with the most money. Those
Yeah,
are the market
exactly.
makers.
And whoever has the most money in this market, that's where these little sticks are going to want to go to. It is like, you know that game Snake where you got to
Sticks.
you get bigger and bigger and you can't eat yourself or whatever. It's like this
Yeah.
game. It's like just like wherever you put cash on the screen is where that little candle's going to want to go to. But it also is it runs off of, so that's why when you see gaps in the market or like or price hasn't gone back up to, like in this distribution phase, it left that entire area unchecked by the market. That's all orders, people going long, people going short, people going long, people going short. So what does that leave? Liquidity. But for some reason the market does this thing where if it fails to go up into that level, it will go the opposite direction. Or if it breaks through, so say we went ripped up, there's a good chance that longs could kick in, you know?
Dang. Okay,
So
cool.
yeah,
Yeah.
it goes with wherever the banks are placing those orders, that's where this place is going. You know what I mean? So and then all the
That's
little moves in between are just like liquidity grabs, really.
Yeah, you just talked me into a little short scalp, so I made a quick 100 off that. Thanks, bro.
Yeah, oh dear, that to me was just obvious because like I said, it's gonna say, oh yeah, go long,
Order
and then just nope,
canceled.
psych.
Yeah. I mean, a smart move would have been to stay with it and let it ride and sell on the way down. But I was just like, I don't. The speed of it is just kind
Yeah, I told you that's exactly what it's doing. Literally said it.
See, Tony's a great trader.
But sometimes that doesn't happen, and that's what you got to be careful for. Like sometimes it'll go back up. Like that's why I would take profit on this. I wouldn't ride this out, me personally, because
Well,
you
I'll say,
because
yeah.
or leave one con or something. Like you could leave one con
Yeah.
and let it ride, but then because like I the only thing I can't guarantee is where it's gonna go to. This could just like you know I don't know, but technically, are we in silver bullet? Yeah, we are in silver bullet time. So technically, this is still distribution.
One thing that I learned the other day was that I didn't normally think about is when you have like say a downtrend or a bounce of some type. If the angle of the bounce, like it's kind of like common sense, but like if it's violent, like if the angle of the bounce is sharp, then the probability, the statistically is like, like 70% or something that it's going to actually reverse. Like it's a legitimate reverse. But if it's a weak, like when we were talking about it, and you see how it's like 45, almost like a 45-degree angle, and then it just kind of weak. Well, the probability is less at 45, and then when it's even flatter, it's even worse, that it's gonna reverse. It'll actually continue. So that was one of the things that helps me, is that it didn't look like a sharp, violent reversal. It was just kind of a mediocre. So to me, that was +1. And then when you talked about the the levels and everything, it totally added to it. And then sure enough, I saw that confirmation candle, or at least I treated it like a confirmation, and then I went short on that, and then it
See,
continued.
for me personally, I don't know why, but I trade better just looking at one chart, like not even higher time frames, like only to get my bias. Like if once I have my bias, I don't need to look at like 4 different screens. For me personally, like,
Yeah.
and I don't even have the attention span for it. Quite honestly, it helps to just have one chart and just read it on a small time frame, and then just like boom, you got your bias. You just wait for it to hit a certain level. If it hits that level, you just decide, is it going to go up or is it going to go down? And once you decide that, you take a trade. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I've totally gotten rid. I only have like volume. I mean, I've changed. I used to have all the indicators and all this, but I saw
Dude, like, I'm gonna give you a perfect example. Like all those this huge write down, which I basically said was going to happen, I was able to do that with not a single indicator, not a single
Yeah.
one. Like I didn't. Like I'll show you my screen. I
Just
have
based
one
on
arrow
price
pointing
action.
down. That's it.
Yeah, totally.
Like it
Well,
literally just an arrow pointing down, and then I was able to, because it's not like, for me, it's just about like knowing what's going to happen at a certain time, or what's the, you can't be perfect. Like you can't get it every time. It's just what's the highest probability of this happening. You know what I mean?
did you ever see the interview with that market maker? There was and he said that we created indicators so you guys would think that you knew. Spend all your studying them. And I was
Well, what I was taught is that indicators are just like a tool that you could use, but it's not what the market is based off of. You know, that's not the way it's coded, that's not the way it's designed, but they
they're
help.
lag.
You know,
Yeah.
so if you decide to use it, which you
Good
can.
morning, guys. How's it
Hello,
going?
good morning.
Good
What up?
morning.
Gazi.
What's up?
Yeah, sorry, I had to wake up at 3 in the morning and then I passed out. I woke up at like 5 and then I passed out again. So, it's how are we doing today? Is everyone up? We cashing checks?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, really.
290. I'm at 290. Good
Let's
stop.
Oh yeah. Oh fucking yeah.
It's better than yesterday, man. Being down 400 and then up 65 for the day.
Yeah, at least you're up. Shoot.
That was psycho.
Jeez.
It just seemed like I couldn't short right.
I
His
get
price
that.
action, there was a lot of opportunity to make money yesterday.
Oh my god, yeah. It's crazy.
Yo, that 5-minute fair value gap at the top, that was a perfect setup.
Dude, that's what I was telling these guys, bro.
Yeah, especially with all the EMAs crossed, 21 and
Yeah,
17,
that's what I
dip
was saying.
below,
Oh, this is gonna
VWAP.
drop.
Yeah, we
Dude, that was a
we'd be rich now, but you know, that's a good point. I mean,
And
that's a lot.
now we're more just accumulating, kind of just not doing a lot. But I mean, dude, this is still bearish to me. I don't see any reason why I can't keep dropping.
Yeah, I mean that's a lower low and waiting for high, right?
Well, but this could be. I don't know. Are any of you guys in this or no? Are you all out?
I mean, technically, it
I
just
hopped in the
broke.
long.
Yeah, I would go in for long. I see it, but we are in that 1 minute fair value gap right now.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at too. That's what
So I would just be careful. But if it closes above this high
Are
and
you
pulls
talking
back
about the one at
again,
948, or which one are you talking about?
I mean, the one that just formed from that last run down, the top
Oh
of the fair
yeah,
value
true,
gap is at
true.
633. See, it rejected right there. Yeah.
No, you're right. This dude, if you want, Sick, you might be able to go short here, bro, and catch this still.
Yeah, I might just full port. Nah, I'm playing.
Nah. The first trade,
No,
full court.
Well, I'll
No,
go
but
like
now-
1 mini and then
But
just
now it's like
The
filling.
first
It's filling the
trade,
gap
bro.
now, so it could just be. I don't know, bro. But just do a tight stop loss. Do a tight stop loss. You'll be good. Either way, you get stopped out, go long.
No, I kind of want to see how this reacts. I think we're actually gonna. I think RC's kind of right. I think we might start pumping to the upside.
Yeah,
Because
could.
the
Look
pullback
at
on the
the
5-minute
low.
candle.
Go ahead.
No, I was just gonna say like I mean technically it's a weak low, but we could see some pullback or at least some retracement because we rejected off of the bottom pretty strong. Like that wick on the bottom, we rejected off of like what 599.
Dude, and if you go to the 45-minute, bro, there's a fat ass gap. Like we left just a massive freaking imbalance in the market. So, dude, we could be heavily bearish, like heavily bearish.
You mean
But
bullish?
uh, well, no, it's a SIBI,
Bearish.
a giant red candle on the 45-minute.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying like I want to see some like retracement, so we might be able to catch
Yeah,
the retracement.
that's possible because we left a lot of room there. So we definitely could, like, go up
Yeah.
like halfway and then dip down or something.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Or just
thinking.
keep upping. This could turn into an inverse fair value gap, and then it works against it.
We do have an SMT
Yeah.
formed.
Yeah, but I don't know. Now that market's getting a little bit later, it might slow down, so it's gonna take longer.
And there's a bunch of speakers today.
But we
Just
have big news today. Actually, no, we got news in what? Oh no, not till 12:45, I think. But it's
I
red
see.
folder news, so that's gonna impact the market for sure.
Yeah, I kind of want to see how this plays out. I'm kind of tired. I want to take a nap still, so let's catch one good trade, make some money, and back to La La Land.
If it's your first and last one, make it a good one.
I know. On the 10-minute though, it looks like it could come back down and fill continuously.
That's why I'm looking at the 45, and all it's telling me is just drop. just, but like I think there's a really good chance we'll accumulate up a bit because it's not gonna just leave all that unfilled.
Order submitted.
There's no way.
Yeah.
Order
yeah. I
filled.
mean, ES is kind of
Order
filling
filled.
upwards too, so let's see what fucking the
I'm
dollar
jumping
is
into-
doing.
to longs here. I like the SMT on ES and Q. And honestly, the low we just created, like,
yeah, that
doesn't look strong.
No, it doesn't. I want to. Yeah. No.
He's one under them joints.
You want boat on
I'm
me,
so bearish on this.
my homie.
I'm thinking I don't know. You guys are going in long? Are you guys going in?
Yeah, I'm in longs here.
Yeah. I don't know, bro.
I want to see how price reacts at the top of this.
Yeah, off this level right here. Yeah,
Yep,
I'm looking at
yep.
that too. Yep. If it just bounces off, it might not go long.
yeah, like a second entry. That 17.6 could be psychological level, man. I don't know. I'm just throwing it out.
This is just gun to the head roulette shit, but I think we drop. I can't say for sure, but this is gun to the head roulette shit. Like if I was at a blackjack table and putting chips on, bro, I'm saying we drop.
It's
All
not
right, well, time to play the dealer. Play the house. Yeah, because if you look at the bottom, it does seem like it's rounding out. You know, we could be looking at like a reversal.
And the daily
Fair
shows
value
were
gap.
bearish, bro. You just go to the daily candle and we're just fat red too. So I mean, it's just like
Yeah.
entry, baby. Here we
Fat
go.
red candle,
this is like
but
working. If we go long, this is like working against
This is beautiful.
the bias for the day. I don't know. We'll see though. It could happen.
Or it's a trap. You never
Yeah,
know.
I'm saying trap. I got trap. Yeah. I don't know. The level you want to look at, is we're in between. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys this. We're in between a zone right now, an actual fair value gap.
Yeah,
And-
no, on the 5-minute to the left
Yeah,
side,
yeah,
there's
and
like
we're-
there's one
the
small
middle-
one,
Yeah. Yep.
and then
it's a
there's
5-minute.
yeah.
I got a fat. We're in a zone 666. 0.25 is the middle of that zone. So I would until we go up above 666. I'm not. I think we drop, bro.
all day yesterday? No.
Because that's
No,
like a really strong, like the middle of those gaps are really strong indicators of what could happen.
People might be shorting at this
Bro,
double
you might
top.
as well wear leggings.
I'm in one short. I'm in one micro just to see how this plays. If I see some momentum, then I might go into my full position.
Might see a 1 hour flip as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, I'm in one micro, so we'll see how this happens.
If it dips into that little like level I said, bro, yeah, it's a sniper entry for short, and then just a super tight stop loss, super tight. Because if it rejects, it reverses. whatever. I mean, it is what it is.
Yeah. Yeah. If it breaks back below, if it breaks the internal lows, then a stop loss probably at the recent highs.
Yeah.
And
Yep.
here it goes. We'll see what happens.
This is where trading in a big group gets a little
Hectic, yeah,
gets a
because
little
like
hectic
everyone
because
has
people
an
are going
opinion.
longs, people are going shorts, so hey, always make sure you got your own
Strategy, yeah.
bias. Don't just blindly
of
follow
course.
somebody.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so true. Yeah, like when I'm saying it, it's just like me as a trader thinking as a trader. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, although the dollar is dropping, so we could see a continuation here. Because the
Man, we
dollar
going.
has some. Yeah. I'm gonna
like I
hop
said,
out actually.
I'm looking at that middle fair value. If we don't break above 666 and we tap off, I'm saying it drops personally.
Yeah.
This
Well,
this is
No,
dollar
yeah,
dollars got
exactly like yesterday.
yeah, having your own trading plan is hella important though, for sure. Like that's like vital.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
And we do have news. When does the news come out? When? Like 3 hours, 4 hours? That's gonna be
Oh,
super
it's
vital too.
later.
It's not for long though, so
I just realized I'm on the 2 minute. That's why it was so slow.
that would do it.
There you go.
I'm at break even here.
All right, my boy. Have a good day. Wait, yo, you got tryouts again. You still wearing them tight ass sweatpants, bro? They are, bro. Bro, I got long johns. Yo, get your jacket back too.
a good TP level too would be like 16 or like 600 because it's like right at that low level, maybe a little.
Yeah.
Damn.
I got no trades until we get up. Looking before this. The 67150.
Okay, yeah, I see that. I see that. That's
Stop filled.
I'm
Stop
stopped out at
failed.
break even.
C drop. Called it. Called it. I knew it. It's a good chance it's going to go to around 598. And then my guess, because now it's forming a double bottom, so we're going to hit around 998 or 598, and then it's going to pump, and it's going to go reach for those highs.
hell yeah.
So it's going to bounce. If I'm right, I could be completely wrong though. If it goes down to like that 599 600 level, it's going to jump and then pump off that. That's my guess.
59960s. Where'd you pull that? That number from?
Because I'm looking at the low. The low is 598. Those you see that
Oh,
low?
right now.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
session's low.
It's an
Okay.
yeah.
I got you.
It's
I
well,
got
it's the low of the day too. It's the previous low and it's the low of the day.
you. Yeah,
So there's
I got
a
you.
chance that the market will want to go down there and at least try to match it. And then after it tries to match it, it'll form a double bottom, which that's kind of more like like pattern stuff, but it actually works. Like a lot of those patterns actually, some people are like, oh, that stuff doesn't work, but I've seen it does. So
Oh my
not all the
god.
time.
Yo, I'm up like 580 on this simulation account, bro.
Hell yeah. It's Ariel's first day
Dang, bro, you're
on
killing it on your
NQ.
first day.
Nice.
Fucking
job.
lit.
How are you liking futures? What do you think?
It's like it just moves so different than what I thought it would move like. And I'm so used to just looking at like options and then like holding it for like 4 hours. I used to do like more swing trading type, so it's like
Right.
so to like
You can
hold it
swing
like
trade NQ also. You trade like MNQ, trade like
and then
light position.
yeah.
It's failing to break the low of the candle right before it though. So this, no, it's gonna drop. Yeah, never mind. I was right. It's gonna drop. But a safe level where I would take profit personally is 609, and then I wouldn't hold it any longer than that because 609 is the low of the other previous low. So
Hi. Come on.
Hi.
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 Yeah, sorry. Phone call.
well, can you hear us?
That was funny.
I wasn't sure if it was hi or you were saying hi or if it was like a hi,
Well,
good day.
I was speaking Swedish and I said hi when I answered.
Sorry.
And no worries. My bad that I didn't mute.
No, you're good, bro. It's all good. It sounded like you were
I
trying to
think
talk
you
to
were
us.
talking Swedish.
Yeah,
Oh,
Be right back.
yeah, you're good.
I think this is the most people we've had
Yeah, I
in
think
VC.
so.
It's pretty wild.
Nah, it's still gonna drop. This is all fake out. I don't think it would leave that previous low untouched.
How'd you find the live stream, Dream?
Oh, man, I think it was just a YouTube algos, bro. They're listening in to everything I'm talking about and watching, and they just threw you up there, bro. And I was like, who's this guy? And then I watched you a couple times. It was just, you know, just I like watching the facial expressions, and because it's good to know that what people are going through. You've gone through the same, and so I was like,
Yeah.
that's interesting. And then when you took that 1K, sorry to bring that up, but when you took that loss,
You're good.
I was like, dude, that shit totally, I did the exact same thing. I do, and so it's just like, because usually it's just, we're just helping each other talking and stuff. So
Yeah.
I don't know. It just, from there,
That's
I
why
haven't even
That's why I'm not claiming to like have this thing figured out at all. And if I did, I would be charging people money for the Discord. But
yeah.
it's like a lot of these influencers, like me and Connie Kazi, we were sending some Instagrams back and forth, and one of these dudes on his video, it was like charts moving in the background, but his facial expression like did not look real. It looked like he recorded his facial expressions after the trade,
Weird.
and it just looked super fake. And I just want to come off as like authentic as possible and just show like how trading really actually is.
Yeah.
'Cause
That sounds cool because a lot of people say that, like, and then you don't like. I watched, Rick and the Zed Monopoly or whatever, and then I'd stumbled across that Iman. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but he's a dude that like basically says like 90% of them are all scammers, and he totally did videos on it, bro. And he got Rainer to change his name.
Connie, I
Rainer.
think this is where we or Siki, this is where we retap, bro. I think it's just gonna. Are you here? Hello.
Yeah, I'm here.
I think it's gonna test the level and drop still.
Yeah,
Is that what you're seeing too, or no?
I think it could. I mean, honestly though, like because we couldn't break the lows, we might be looking to take out those highs above. But that's kind of what I'm.
No, like match the highs and then just see what happens.
Yeah, it might shoot for the highs here. To be honest, I think.
Sorry,
And
guys. I had to figure out. Yeah,
oh, no,
sorry about
it
that.
almost looks like it's
Like
coiling.
dialed in.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's a good way to look at it though. Switch is like just being like genuine about it and not like faking like huge wins only to make it seem like you're like a guru or something.
yeah, well, every day I trade is still up on YouTube, win or loss.
Yeah.
And
See, that's what they don't do.
thankfully, bro, like the past like 3 weeks, I've only had like maybe 3 red days or
That's not
something.
bad at all, dude. That's really not a bad.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Somewhere a little bigger than I wanted to, but yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Hey,
all of us,
Uh,
bro.
everything's still up on YouTube though, wins and the losses. So
I think that's the difference. Is a lot of those guys they'll only post like their big wins and stuff, and so, but they're not like transparent about the other side of it, like
I
you're
mean,
saying.
dude, I would post a big loss like a YouTube short or like an Instagram reel if it was a big loss, but my max loss is like $200, 250. So it's not like that entertaining, you know? So
yeah. You know what flushed me out is when I heard you say that you were only going to do 100 dudes on the Discord or whatever, and then you're going to start charging. And I said, "Oh shit, you
yeah.
got to oh, he's going to try to milk me, man." So I
yeah.
got into that for bro. I was like, "You got me, bro. Don't charge me."
It's
The
actually
Discord is
smart.
closing
After
at
a while,
100
it's just gonna get
members.
too bloated. It's
It
just gonna
is
be too like,
exactly.
yeah,
You
Exactly.
good
flushed
point.
out, bro.
I want to build a core group of people, and then once we feel comfortable with charging, then we'll start charging. It's not going to be like an instant thing, like as soon as we hit 100 members, but it
And
is
it's
closing to everybody once we hit
and
100.
it's Lambo money all around. It's so good. Uh, but yeah, bro. I mean, as much as I've been lost money in trading stuff, I mean, it's been a battle. But I truly feel like, dude, if I had done this when I was your age, like, cause I'm 50, you know, I could be your guys' dads probably. But like when I was starting out, instead of going to nursing school, like I might not have listened to anybody, but uh, but I think if I could have started out trading, I think it's the greatest opportunity. Like all the energy and skill and everything it takes to go to school and become a nurse and all that. Like I'd rather just put that in trading and then just fucking retire
Yeah,
and just
I
Bro,
agree 100% with that.
it's a college degree, bro. This is a
I'm
college
in college
degree.
right now, bro. I can tell you, like, I have class in like fucking an hour, bro.
yeah, I mean
Like, bro, it's a degree learning how to trade, and in my opinion, it's the best high income skill that you could learn. Because you can make money any day of the week that you want, and you can make however much you want.
yeah, totally. I mean
with
it's
no
just
boss.
And it's
and
no
and
boss, and it's
why
always going to be here, bro. You can trade from anywhere around the world at any
totally
time. It's
yeah
It's
beautiful.
like the one thing that you could be like 100% independent and like,
yeah
Yeah.
but also be super flexible at the same time.
yeah. In
Which is
fact,
like, yeah, usually in jobs you get one or the other. You usually don't get both.
oh yeah. I mean that's why I left nursing. I love the patient care, but I couldn't stand the. It's that whole thing. You're always working for the man, and they don't give a
Mhm.
shit. They're gonna do whatever they want to you. They can't do it anymore. And
Exactly.
yeah, screw that, bro. That's slavery. I mean, it's just modern slavery.
Yeah, it
So
is. It's slavery with extra steps, essentially.
Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah. Dude, I've had a full-time job almost my entire life, and I could do attest to you, that's exactly what it feels like every day I go to work, bro. It's like, dude, like, I just need to, like, but it's just it's all dependent on how good you become at trading. Like, if you suck, you can't go full-time, you won't make money. But if
Right.
you're good, you can actually make a really good living off of it, you know? It's like it could go either way.
How long have you been trading again, Dream?
uh, well, since COVID, uh, or before COVID, maybe a year before COVID.
Okay.
So, 4 years or 5 years. But it's kind of been, like I said in the beginning, I was hooked because the market was ripping after the bounce. More
Yeah.
millionaires were COVID than the history of Wall Street.
That was a wild
And,
time.
yeah, and I was like, wow, dude, I was on a rowing machine trading Neo, and I made a K while I was rowing. while I was watching my TV. I was like, dude, this is awesome. I want to be a trader, bro. Like, make
Yeah.
$1,000, 30 minutes every morning working out. That's cool. But
Mhm.
I realize it's not like that. When the market changes, you got to change with it.
Yeah.
You know. That I was going to move to the Philippines actually when COVID came and I had to cancel everything. I was going to just trade in the Philippines because $10 a day, what those guys make,
Oh
you know,
my, dude,
working.
I've been thinking about that too.
Yeah,
Fucking
you make
live.
$1,000 a month, you know, or you make $100 a day trading, dude. You live like
Yeah,
you
you're in
live
the
in.
penthouse there.
Yeah. I
Making that.
mean,
Yo, the Philippines, you can pay. Yo, if you buy a house over there, you can pay people to stay and watch it. Then when you go, they make all your food for you,
yeah,
clean your.
Yeah.
Yo,
That's
it's
literally it, bro.
Yo,
Dude, you
yeah,
could have.
Swush trading office in Philippines?
yeah.
Question
Yeah.
mark.
You could if enough of us get together, we could figure out some kind of deal, bro, and we get something over there, and then we can just kind of migrate and get one in Spain or on the port in on the coast of Spain or Palma de Mallorca or something, and then we have these. We can just rotate like almost like uh,
everybody catch
timeshare.
that short.
Yeah,
No,
yeah, and we're gonna drop probably down to 599. Like I said earlier, we'll probably tap into that area, and then reject off that. I think this is a fake out right here. Dude, I've been wanting to visit the Philippines for like years now. I want to go so bad, bro. I have a coworker and a really good friend that just went recently, and they tell me that it's literally like the best time.
yeah.
The
I mean,
people are hella friendly, everything's hella cheap, like the views are beautiful, like you can't go wrong.
I mean, cash is king. So if you got any kind of good income or whatever, like say maybe from trading or whatever, but you know it you got it made. I mean, even actually, and there they speak English. You know, the other place I wanted to go was Vietnam. It's even better in Vietnam, but they don't really speak English as much in the Philippines, or I mean, as the Philippines, like if you're looking at getting a girlfriend or something, it's going to be easier in the Philippines because you can talk to them. But in Vietnam, it's the food is the bomb there apparently because of the French influence, and they have the best coffee. There's a lot of benefits to being, and you can get like a nice little I mean, even Thailand, but they have all these rules on passport, on visas. You know, Thailand's trying to get the wealthy people to go.
Yo,
Yeah,
boys, I'm
my
heading out.
my,
Have a
my
good one.
daughter's car.
Later,
Yeah,
bro.
take it easy, bro.
Peace.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm still convinced we're gonna drop because the daily buy like the daily candles are still red. Like no reason we shouldn't. Only
I'm
thing
gonna,
is like, when it gets like this late into the market, it just goes by way slower. Like it takes like way longer.
I'm not looking for
yeah,
any shorts, bro, down here.
Yeah, we could. If we do reject and go, and if the market decides to go up, there's like some really nice levels. There's like 3 levels going up to hit. So
Yeah, see, I
if
got levels to play off if we go to the upside, but if we go
yeah,
down, I still
well, I mean,
do, but they're
uh,
they're kind of big moves. So just watch.
yeah,
We're
like
in we're in
I
this
would want the
consolidation.
market to go long. Me personally, like I want it to go long because it's easier of a trade because you know exactly where the market's going to want to go to. But if
mm,
it drops, that's kind of just like a guessing game because there's like, I mean, there's where's the market? Yeah, no, but dude, there's a previous low at like 566 that it could technically reach all the way back down there if it wanted to. So,
Five, six,
yeah, I would just
six.
interesting.
yeah, because the market's always going to want to go to some type of previous low, some type of previous low. But ideally, it would go to I don't know how to explain it, but like the lowest area, the most recent lowest area, because there's a lot of liquidity in those areas. Because in points of interest, like highs and lows, there's a lot of buy and sell orders. So if it does drop, there's some good levels down there too, basically. So I don't know.
Tony, what's your Twitter?
I'll DM you right now.
I don't even have a 20. Damn.
Yeah, I just started posting like my charts on there.
I used to use it for this used to be like my NFT Twitter, and then I'm trying to switch to like trading, but I don't use it that much.
Double bottom. Yeah, let me. No, well, I joined it because I was like bored, and I was like, bro, let me join Twitter. So then I hopped on it, and then dude, there's hella like traders on here, like dudes that have like channels and shit,
Yeah,
or not
yeah.
channels, but like they do like trading. Like they have their own styles and stuff, and they'll post it. I don't know. I find it pretty interesting.
Yeah, no, there's
Keeps me busy at
communities for
work.
like everything on there.
Huh?
There's communities for like everything on there.
Yeah, literally. Yeah, exactly. It's just distracting. Like for me, I'm either like all into something or I'm not. So when I'm on it like all the time. I'm like constantly looking at it.
Do you guys normally trade this late into the open?
No. Uh, every now and then.
Nah, I'm usually done by 10 o'clock. I'm finished. Like all the trading I need to do is done by then.
Okay,
Typically.
yeah. When I get closer to noon, I call it lobster hour. You know, when the whales go to lunch on Wall Street, and then they set everything to go sideways until and then.
Sheesh.
But there was so I kind of
Could see the 1 hour flip now.
Hopefully. It's about time.
Nah, I think we reject off this and go down more. And
Nah, I think we
the
fucking go
only
back.
reason I
I
say
think we
that is
target
because
highs after this.
you think
Yeah,
we're going up?
if we can break
Yeah,
that previous swing high.
and we should have smacked down already. So
Yeah,
everybody
you're right.
going
Could
into
be a
shorts right
this
now
could
at
be
the
just one
lows.
giant manipulation move.
They're about to crunch them.
Yeah. Could happen. Could be true.
Hey, have you guys tried trading on the like 30-second time
Oh wait,
frame?
you know what? You might be
Yeah,
right. Double bottom.
I'm doing it.
Is it good? Is it better or something?
I don't know if it's better, but it's faster. That's for sure.
Yeah.
You're just grabbing small pieces from each moves, basically.
Hey, you
Okay.
know what? You could be right because a double bottom usually indicates a giant bullish reversal. So off
Yeah.
of that could mean we're going up. But at
But look
price,
at it. It's a. You call it a double bottom. It could be a inverse head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders. Like I mean,
Exactly. Yep, exactly.
it's a bunch of shit. But honestly, I don't think we're going down any further. I think we're going to target those highs.
Yeah, well,
I
there's a
think
lot of, dude,
I
there's a
think
lot
we're
of
gonna
levels
pull
up there.
back up to this 5 minute fair value
Yo,
gap because
I'm
the
gonna
200
call
EMA.
7:30 again. I'm calling 7:30 again today,
Call
right
it.
now.
7:30. Oh, okay.
Calling 7:30 again.
Let's see it.
On the
Same play
five,
from yesterday.
on the
I
five
feel
minute.
like
Honestly, I'm
I
with
feel
you
like
on
we could
that,
pull
bro.
up to. I think we can pull back to like 676, like all the way halfway through that 5 minute fair value gap before it drops back down again. That's just kind of what I'm seeing.
RC, this is your
Six,
time to
seven,
get
six. You
your
Order
said,
filled.
Order
payback.
filled.
huh?
This is your time to get your payback on that 730 level.
Kind of
Oh
looks like
no, I ain't
Or
lose out
not
on that,
payback,
man.
not pay. Oh, did you catch the
Yeah,
full
yeah,
thing?
yeah. You're right. You're right. But I kind of need some more confirmation up in there though. Like I would really like to see a close above the 671, really. But um
What concerns me is that at the 643 level, we're failing to break above that. Like we're just like tapping it over and over again. And to me, that's
That
like
means we're gonna break
that's
through.
that's the bear trap. That's the
to
bear
me
trap. This shit
that's
about to
crazy.
pop.
Hey, I'm about
This
to
shit
get
about
snapped up. Shit.
it's
I gotta be
getting
careful with
weaker
that.
every time
Yeah,
it touches weaker.
man. That's what I'm saying, bro. That means it's gonna fall. I think that's not. I don't know, bro. We'll see right now if all that inverse shit works, like the double bottoms and all that.
It does have kind of like a bowl, a little bit of a curve.
If you're going off those whatever the fuck, what do they call them, patterns or whatever?
Patterns, candlestick
If
patterns.
you're going off that, you would be like, okay, it's definitely gonna go up, which it could. But off just what it's doing right now, to me, it's telling me me is saying I want to go down.
Shout out Kamikaze, bro.
Yes, sir.
Sicky.
This is interesting.
Sicky with the blicky.
Sicky with the blicky.
That's all.
Always with the blicky.
Bro, now I'm gonna look at now I'm gonna look at real estate in fucking like Thailand and shit.
You can't buy shit in Thailand, bro. You gotta have a Thai wife. You gotta have a Thai wife or Thai blood.
Oh, well.
They don't let foreigners buy their land.
We'll rent. I know in Bali, bro, no one owns property in Bali. So
Indonesia is popular too. Money goes way far.
Yeah.
I like how our money goes further, like basically everywhere else except here.
Yeah. Nah, Canada's worse, bro. Canada's worse.
Is it? Is it?
I think so.
Stop filled.
Stop filled.
Oh, Swush, I think I just saw your thing.
Wait.
Be posting trading stuff on there too or not?
Huh? No, not really. Kind of inactive. My God.
Sometimes I wonder if by noon, anyone that's going.
Dude, I just tried to enter these longs right here. I did not mean to go 2 cons. I did not mean to go that heavy. What the fuck? I did not realize I had 2 cons in there. Oh my God. I just wanted to test the long there, bro. Like we're literally, oh my God, that was such a big mistake. Oh, I gotta lock in, bro. I can't let that happen. That is a mistake, bro. That is a mistake. I'm still bullish though on this chart, honestly. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. That's so annoying. I want 2 cons, bro.
I don't know. This is just choppy, bro. It's like one giant chop. So yeah, I guess technically this would all be considered on that. Like if you look at it from like a higher time of frame, it would be just one big accumulation. So just up, down, up, down. Like it could be, but the thing is, it's not really like showing one thing or another. It's just accumulating. It's not saying, "Oh, I want to go longer. I want to go shorter." Like,
and also there's a lot of Fed speakers today just randomly, and maybe people are just the market's just kind of.
Oh, that's a good point. Yeah, probably actually.
The indecision, like, hey, let's see what these nut guys say.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's in 40. It's in what 50 or like 40 minutes or something. So.
Oh, it is okay. I thought there was like different ones.
Still going bearish,
but the red news, the like big hitter, is at 45.
Hey, Tony, we going low or what?
Huh?
Tony.
What happened? What's good?
Think we dropping?
Bro, I'm 100% bearish on this, bro. I'm saying we drop 100%, bro.
I'm full port. I'm full port.
I got no doubts.
No,
to me, this is good, like inevitable. Cause see how it's not breaking above this high? Like it's like it won't even break above it.
We're about to break through in 3.
No, we're about to break the highs, bro. I think it's reversing. That's just me, though. We'll see. I mean, because it's making like higher lows. It's rounding out at the bottom. So it's kind of getting stuck right here, but yeah, I don't know.
It's hell. It could be like literally 50-50, bro. It could be
I'm in the longs. I'm in the longs. I'm in the longs. I'm in the longs.
Hey, yo, I'm gonna get some water real quick. I'll be right back.
He's in the long. He's got a good stop because he knows there's that support there. That's pretty good.
I'm coming back to a huge red candle. That's all I know.
Green. Green.
You won't like me when I'm angry.
All we need is one Fed guy to go, hell yeah, to the moon.
To the moon. Fucking Elon pops on.
Here we go.
Dude, if one of the Fed speakers said we're going to the moon, bro, it'd be over. The moon.
Break that neckline.
I'm gonna send Papa Powell a tweet and tell him say going to the moon on next talk. There it is. There we go.
Oh, what did I say?
Kick up.
What did I say?
I'm in them.
Buy in behind.
Order filled.
Order filled. Yeah, and
Oh.
Still, bro? What? This is brutal. This is honestly like.
I'm in. It's going long, man. I'm long. I'm 100%.
If this was a Saw movie, this is what would be my torture right here. Just watching this.
It looks like it was coiling, kind of like it's definitely building energy, man.
Bro, what is that Floored movie on? Where can I watch that?
It's a documentary you can own.
Bro, I sent it to you. I put it in the thing.
It's on YouTube?
Yes, bro.
Yeah. There we go. Let's go. Let's go for that.
Made it?
Let's go for that 7:30. Let's go 7:30.
7:30.
There you go.
Climbing, bro.
7:30. 7:30.
Oh.
Break this high. Break this high. Break this high.
Oh shit. That energy wants to go up.
Come on, man.
Oh shit. Take those profits quick.
We need to see this thing push through this.
It's going. It's going. Just give it a second.
It's going. 3 seconds to candle close.
Hey, do we have a bet tab on here where we could bet money on the trade?
Look at
so you get
look
double
at pocket options, bro. Pocket options. Pocket options you can trade on. It's like betting, but it's like short term, like 1 to 2 minute bets. Whether you think the stock is gonna go up or down in that time.
Dude, what is it called? I'm gonna go on that right now.
Don't put money in there though, please.
Nah, I just want to look at the website, bro. It's crazy.
Okay, it's called. Dude, I used to look at it when I was like fucking pocket options when I was like 12 years old, and I was like, I'm trading stocks.
Isn't that literally just like gambling at that point? But I mean, it's gambling either way. So, dude, that's freaking lit, though. I like that idea. I like blackjack, so.
Oh yeah, dude. I recently went to the casino for my first time, and I had some luck. And honestly, I think it's kind of a bad thing. Like,
oh, dude, you can lose so much money, bro.
I know. I went in there with $12 though, and I made like 50. So,
dude, did you see what I put in the group chat?
No,
I was like, Sticky, let's go to Thunder Valley, bro. Bro, because
Thunder Valley?
Dude, it's the biggest casino in California, and I think it's around your area too.
Humboldt?
No, it ain't up here. I ain't never heard of it.
No, it's called Thunder. Dude, I swear, I was like, my friend told me about it. Biggest casino in California, bro. It's like Northern California area. I think that's what he said. We've been wanting to go. Yeah, dude. I mean, when I go, the thing is, when I go to the casino, I'm not gonna lose like $500. I'll bet maybe like $100 and then I'm done. You know what I mean? Or like.
No, you just gotta practice risk management, bro.
Yeah, literally.
Like, no, I'm actually dead ass. Like, if you go in there with $100, right? So your first move, you're more likely going to win. So you bet that you only bet 50, right? And if you lose that, then you bet 25. But if you win that, let's say you double your money, right? You made $100 off of that 50. Now you put that 50 back into your original $100, and then you bet that 50 again, and you only play with that 50. You know, like you make your profit on it, and then you just play with the profits.
You just confirmed to me that we need to go to the casino together.
And then you can split that 25 that you made in profit. into two 25s. You know what I mean? So now you have 2 shots at doubling your 25 back to a 50, but you already made your original 50 back.
I agree 100. That's how I do it every single time I go. That's
Sick.
exactly how I do it.
Sicky's got it figured out.
No, dude, and I did that. So there was one time I went, I was down $100, and so I was like, all right, you know what? Let me throw in another 100. And what I did was I bet 50 and then another 50. Like I didn't even do small bets. Like I just went in 50 and 50, made my money back, and then I was done, bro. I hit 250 bets back to back, and then I was done.
Yeah.
Bro, this pocket options thing is it's literally, this is like a little casino, bro. What is this, bro? No, bro, this is crazy, bro.
Yeah, so you bet on the stock going up or down, and like
yeah, it says higher or lower, and then it just like lets you put an order in. That's crazy. What the heck?
Stupid.
The payout's 45% winnings amount you receive for, dude. This is like stocks on steroids, bro. What the heck?
Stop filled.
Stop filled.
Right.
Is it dropping?
This shit is acting disrespectful right now.
Yeah, I told you that 666, the 6, you could say 665 area. It's gonna, I'm guessing it's gonna. I don't even think it's gonna go higher. If it does, it could a little bit, but no, yeah. See, yo, I might sign up for this. I think you just did a really bad thing by sending me this link, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna delete that real quick.
No, I'm just playing. I have like no money to put into this, but it's a cool idea, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
What if you're just like hella fire and can call it? Can you make money on this, or is it still like not good?
Wait, you said it's a 45% split?
Payout 45%, bro. So it says right here.
Horrible. That's so bad.
You might as well just actually trade the stock at that point. What the heck?
Yeah.
Wait, or no, it might trip. No, that's what it says. When you receive for a $10 trade with a 45% payout. Yeah. That's not good, bro. If you lose hella money then. What the heck? Losing like, I don't know, bro. At that point, I'd rather just trade the stock. Why would I need this?
Yeah.
No, I guess it's enticing because you can start with like 10. Okay, maybe that's why people like it, because they lose everything and they're like, oh, I just need to bet 10 more. No, you can even bet $1. What? Okay, so it'll tell you how much you make.
It's
So
like
say I put in
stake.com,
$100, dude. That's what? If I bet $100 and I win and I get it right, I only get $45 from that.
Bro, imagine you bet on like an FOMC day and like
Oh,
you set it to expire like when FOMC comes out. That would be the
this
cheat
probably
code.
makes so much money from people, bro. Like I would imagine how many people,
Yeah.
like degenerate people, just hop on this shit and just like fucking.
Bro, because
That's hella
imagine it's
tough.
like you're trading like a day that's like today, and it's like up and down consolidation, and it's like,
You
you
just
know, if
lose
it's only
everything.
like you're betting on like a minute worth of
Yeah.
time, it's like, bro.
No, see. Yeah, no, if you would have been in on this, you would have just got stopped out. I think you get stopped out hella quick on this too. I think it all depends on how much you have in your account, and if it like goes past a certain point, it just takes it out. Oh, it's pumping now.
Fuck
little bit.
pocket options, man.
I don't know, bro. But I don't, that 45% is like not worth it.
It's not worth it at all. You won't make
No,
money.
bro. Is that so? What is? Do they have like shit like this where you can just bet on like? What the heck? Nah, I'm good, bro. I'll stick to futures. It's still degenerate, but not as degenerate.
It's just like a funny thing I came across like a
That's
while
hella
ago.
funny, bro. What the fuck? It's literally like a chart just going up and down, and you're like, it's going higher, it's going higher.
Yeah, it's kind of wild. That's like a thing. To be
It goes by hella fast, dude. Did you see how like quick the chart goes by?
7:30.
We're getting closer to that red news. Like the closer we get to that is like when this is finally going to actually do something.
Yeah.
Yo, is there news today?
Yeah, there is at 45.
At 2 or what? What time?
Yeah, no, we got like 30 minutes. 30 more minutes.
All right. Well, I think I'm gonna hop off for today, guys. I will see you guys later.
All right, bro.
All
I'll
right,
see you
peace
in a
out.
bit.
Later. Yes, sir.
Yep.
Later.
Peace.
Yeah, I've gone to the casino a couple times, but I mean, it's not like I said, like if I lose 100, I'll just I'm done. That's it.
I went to Vegas for the first time once, and I spent $1 on slots, and all I did was just eat the good food and watch shows. I didn't want to
Dude,
get
honestly,
rich.
that's like the main reason I like to go, because the one that I've been going to, it has a food court, and you'd be surprised, but the food's actually priced like really well. Like it's like kind of cheap actually. It's like really good stuff too. They got a pizza place, like a Chinese place, a little barbecue. So I just hit that up every time.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I'm trying to go.
Shit.
Yeah, but
Bro,
that Ford documentary Switch is really good. If I
what?
were you, I'd take it down to watch it.
Oh, the documentary.
Yeah, it's really good. It's
Bro,
like interesting and
there's this dude on Twitter. His name is Stocks in Real Estate. Let me read you his tweet real quick. Hold on. Stocks in Real Estate. This kid claims he's like 18, 17 years old. And every single day I see his post on Twitter, I turned $1,000 into $220,000 in 20 days.
what?
And he's like,
Oh, we just created a fair value gap on the 1 minute.
like,
That's bullish.
I just turned
So,
$1 into $87 million in a month. That is so
that's
insane,
good,
bro.
What the heck? That's like actually, did he do it legitimately too, or what?
Probably not. He's probably like not actually doing that.
Oh,
Because
I was gonna
he's not
say,
sharing any like broker statements or anything that he's actually trading.
That's
He
all. I
sounds.
made this money.
Yeah, he's better than Nancy Pelosi, man.
Yeah, literally, exactly. And that's impossible, bro. You can't be better than her. It's fucking impossible, bro.
Exactly. I think her husband's a hedge fund manager or something.
Oh,
Can't
of
remember.
course, bro.
Hey guys, I changed my mind. I'm bullish.
Oh,
I was wrong. I was wrong. I was terribly wrong. I'm because if you guys look, I don't know if you're paying attention, but it created like a fair value gap at 1054, and then it literally just created one right now at 1119. If this red candle doesn't drop, if it it could drop a little bit, but if it doesn't close super low, it's probably gonna pump. This is probably gonna go up. I don't know. I don't know if y'all still trading, but a long might not be too bad right here. Along with the tight stop loss. Yeah, sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt y'all though. Sorry, I just saw that.
No, you're good,
I'm
bro.
curious. Oh, I'm sorry. How it responds to the news, after that 11:45 or whatever.
Well, what my guess after seeing these fair value gaps on the 1 minute, I'm guessing it's the market's still going to chop up a little bit, but when it gets closer to that news, it's going to boom, it's going to pop up, it's going to skyrocket.
Hell yeah.
That's what I'm thinking. Because before it wasn't giving us a lot of information about like it was just going, but now I'm seeing more because it created those gaps, which is like kind of the market's way of showing you like, yo, I'm about to jump up or I'm about to go down, basically.
The Lambo money, baby.
Yeah, hopefully, bro. Dude, I'm trying to get a Urus, like literally a 2023 Urus, and I'm done trading for the rest of my life. That's all I need, bro. And maybe a house for my mom too, if I get unlucky enough trade.
Yeah,
I like it.
That's cool.
But see what I'm paying attention to is that gap that's still open on the what is it 1119 candle, since there's still space that price action hasn't covered inside of there. It's a little tiny space now, but it's technically hasn't broke through. If it goes down lower and it closes, it could go either way again. Because it's basically canceling out that gap and basically just saying, okay, I could do either now. I could do one or the other. So still tiny little, I don't know. That's the thing too. Like your bias can change. Like it can't just stay one or the other. Depending. Because when price action is this choppy, it's like it's not telling you a lot. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It is telling me it wants to go higher, but it's only a matter of when. 7:30, baby.
If that's the case, then yeah, I would just anticipate news and then just expect it to pump for sure. Then, like I said, though, when news comes out, it's smart to play with like a reasonably sized stop loss because it can spike both directions. You know what I mean? So
yeah,
be safe because what if it goes like against you like crazy and then it's like, oh shit, I just lost a bunch of money.
What it also just could be, the drop that it did was just basically creating liquidity to go up as
Yeah,
well.
exactly. It's grabbing all of those sell orders
Details.
or all the stops for the buys and then just saying,
Yeah.
here, that's all it needs. Exactly. That's exactly right.
Because if you look at other markets like US 30 and the SPY and everything, US 30 did the exact same thing, but it did it yesterday, and now it's basically recovering everything. So usually they go hand in hand as well. I'm more on the bullish
That's
side, to
exactly
be
right.
honest.
And what you're doing is you're comparing all of them and looking to see what they're doing, and if they're giving bullish sign. And if you see fair value gaps in those, you can also say, okay, I think it's all bullish, because you're right, they go together.
And if you look at the 15-minute, it actually basically just filled a gap from yesterday, and it didn't break yesterday's low, so it could be a push for the new high.
You said on the 50-minute?
15, yeah.
On the 15? I'm gonna check it out right now. But yeah, I believe you. I think this is gonna pump now.
Basically, it came down to yesterday's structure where it made the push for a new high yesterday.
Because do you see how we're failing to create lower lows?
Yeah,
That's a very very bullish sign when it's failing to go back lower. Yeah, yeah. I think this is a perfect opportunity. Or around this.
I mean, I definitely think NQ will drop eventually, but I don't think it's time yet. Because I think it will make a new push for like all-time high, and then it's gonna be a fake out, and then it's gonna reverse back into range like yesterday's, like previous month's range.
I think that makes the most sense.
don't know. We'll see. We'll see.
Wait, what was your name again? I don't know if I've introduced myself.
I'm new. My name
You
is
okay?
Mike.
How do you say it, you?
Huh?
How do you pronounce it?
Mike?
He said he's new.
Oh, you're new. Oh shit.
Yeah,
Okay, I thought
yeah.
your name was.
I joined yesterday.
Oh, nice. Congrats, man. Nice to meet you.
Welcome.
Yeah, welcome.
Welcome,
Same
man.
back at you.
It
Welcome
sounds like
to the
you know what you're doing, so it's nice to know that. It's
welcome
good.
to.
Yeah.
Did you see Swush on YouTube or something, or on like Instagram?
Yeah, I saw him on YouTube, and then I figured I'd join the Discord.
You guys make me hungry.
What did he say? He's hungry.
Yeah, I'm heating up a taco.
Well, it is Taco Tuesday, though.
Oh, that's right. It's Taco Tuesday. That was just accident, man. Coincidence.
Taco
Come on, let's go ahead and
right
break. We need to get above damn
It's dude, the
660.
market's literally just waiting for news.
660.
It's like waiting for that news to kick in, and then boom, it's gonna just. Now that I'm seeing it, it's gonna. I think it's gonna pump. I think it's
turn off my stop loss.
But
Turn
I
off your stop loss.
Yeah.
What? Yo, you're crazy. Yo.
I'll turn off my stop loss.
That's how you know
bro,
some shit's about to go down.
You really confident in this. Man, you
7:30.
really gonna go up.
7:30.
It's going up to 7:30, bro. Just like yesterday when we called it.
Yeah.
It eventually did go up to 7:30.
Yeah.
But do you have the patience? Do you have the will?
Yes, that's all it is.
Patience is key, bro. Yeah. Because it's like who really wants to be waiting for like one piece of news to like make or break the trade, basically. You know what I mean? Like that's, dude.
Yeah.
I
like
think we'll break through before the news.
About to pump right now. We're about to pump right now.
Just to get closer to market open, so it's like. Even.
But I want to wait till after the 45 news, or you know what I mean, like for the response, kind of. I don't, because how do we know they're not going to rip it and then dump?
You don't. You don't.
Unless you just ride it for a scalp or something. But I'm just kind of like, I've been raped so many times trying to trade the Fed or the news.
I know, that's why I turn it off the stop loss.
Yeah, I got you. That's cool.
No, I ain't doing that shit. I'm just joking. Just joking.
Order submitted.
I actually might though, but I'm just. I don't think someone else does that.
No, I wouldn't do that. That's crazy. I wouldn't do that, bro. That's good. Or like at least a decent one, like 100 ticks or something, just in case. Or like at least do a big one. Because like I was saying earlier, like this could drop. I mean, there's levels, that haven't been hit.
Saying that, man. Don't use the D word right now. We wanted to go long.
It is higher lows, and then it's multiple touches on that level. So
yeah, but we need to close above 660, and then we're good.
Yeah.
No, that's exactly right. Let me see. I wish I could look on like the second time frame to like really go crazy, but
yeah, you got Tradeovate? I mean,
no, I got Tradeovate. Yeah, I do got Tradeovate actually.
Put it on the seconds chart.
You can do it on there.
Yeah.
We finna go crazy right now, bro. I'm about to log in and because I'm on TradingView and it won't let me on there.
Yeah, no, because you gotta pay for TradingView.
Yeah, let me hop onto it. Yeah, you're right actually, because I got charged for this the other day, so I should. But yeah, but we still have a fair value gap at 11.19. That it didn't fill it. So to me, that's really all I would need to tell me to go long on this. But I'm gonna look on the seconds to really.
But that thing's only a 1 minute.
Yeah, but they still count, bro. They still work. Yeah, dude. It doesn't. It's not like definitely not as much like to go off of as a tire frame one, but they still work.
Here we go. Above 660 right now. Come on. This candlestick. Get on up there.
Nope.
Get on up there. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Bro, when RC starts talking to the markets, bro, it actually like works. Like every
There you
time.
go.
Order
There
filled.
you go. There we
Stop
go.
filled.
There we
Go
go.
pump it.
7:30. Let's
Pump it.
go. 7:30. Let's
I
fucking
would say
go.
take profit at like, yeah, dude, it could go up even up to like, dude, this could pump
7:30.
like
Let's go.
Watch this 700.
there's so much up there.
Actually, not
There's
even
so
close.
many levels to hit. There's one at like 676. There's one to hit at like 687 and like even higher, bro. This is a good ass trade. If you get in the longs here, that's a solid trade. Or like,
Getting in the
or
longs.
lower would have been better,
I
but
got in the longs at
this would. I mean, it's going to consolidate down a bit, but oh no, bro. This is telling me it's gonna. And then since we have a gap at 958, and it's right in the middle of that gap. It's right in the middle of it. So we're currently at like a crossroad, basically. Like it's telling us this is a hella key level right here where we're at. Like super important. If we break above this level, it could reject. It could reject technically because it's
Patience.
Yeah, the level is 659. That is the perfect level for Y price actions right here. If we break above, though, we're flipping, bro. If we break above, this thing is flying. But yes, if we break above 659 or 660, whatever, dude, this thing is fucking launching. Yeah, this is a key level. It's right in the middle of that, too, so. It might be wise to wait closer to news too, though, just to get it wherever the entry's at.
What happened to the enthusiasm, Tony?
We're good. I'm still bullish. Let's go. 16 seconds.
Stop filled.
Stop filled.
Oh shit.
Order filled.
Uh-oh. Who hopped out?
I did.
Who hopped out?
So this is
Who hopped out? Oh, let's go. Crank it. Crank it now. Crank it now. Yep. There you go. Crank it now. All the way.
Bro, I think, oh no, bro. I could have been right all along. This thing could have dropped, bro.
You, the soldier boy. You. Let's go. You can do it. You can do it. I'm about to do some push-ups right now to help the market.
This is now bullish still, bro. Technically. This is technically still bullish. By what I go off of, yeah, this is still bullish, bro. I know it doesn't look like it right now, but technically it is.
Like this candle right here, though.
Yeah.
YouTube. I wish I had my camera on right now, bro, so you guys could see me. But, bro, I am ending the stream here. I'm done trading for the day, honestly. Even though we got news coming out in 25 minutes, I'm not trading no more. I'm already at my max loss. I overtraded today. And yeah, bro, just way too many trades from me today. It's my second day in a row with overtrading, so yeah, I need to recalibrate. I need to lock in. I'm gonna hit the gym later today. I'm gonna get my risk management back in order, man. I've been journaling my trades recently, so I see it. I see the overtrading, and yeah, I'm gonna come back tomorrow. I'm gonna come back refreshed, and I'm gonna come back as a better trader tomorrow. Yeah, dude, I was break even. I took 3 trades at the start of the morning, same as yesterday, except I took 2 losses this morning trying to catch the shorts, which was in the right direction, stopped out, and then I caught, how many ticks did I catch? I caught 165 ticks on my 3rd trade of the day, and that should have been my last trade of the day. But, you know, I just FOMO'd in, which is bad, which is very bad. I should have once I hit break even on that 165 tick trade, I should have just walked out. Um, yeah, man. If anyone is trading live with me on YouTube, like taking the same trades as me, please let me know. Please let me know, or join. You can join the Discord or leave a comment on the YouTube video and be like, I'm trading with you or something. And like, bro, got to be very selective with your trades. And I hope you're not just following me blindly. I don't I don't claim to have this trading thing figured out, okay? Some days some days are just like this where I overtrade and they're sloppy trades like that. I had a good trade this morning, the 170 tick trade this morning. But every other trade past that was just sloppy. We're in this consolidation zone and they were just not good trades. So, yeah, I hope you guys aren't just following blindly and you guys are trading your own system. Uh, but I already know this YouTube video is gonna get probably get a good amount of views because I lost money. Seems like every YouTube video that I lose money, there's people that see it and it just pops up on their page. So, um, yeah, that yeah, just not good risk management from me today. Like it was decent, and then it got not decent. Like let's take a look at my trades. Actually, we can do a little breakdown here. We can do a little breakdown here. So first trade of the morning right here. We can see I went for shorts, stopped me out. Went again for shorts, fully wicked out. Uh, we recollect here at the EMA, so I enter for the third time on shorts. Third time on shorts. This reminds me of yesterday's action, bro. I re-enter right here, break of the EMA, and we ride this thing down all the way for 165 ticks. That was a good trade, honestly. I'm happy with that. But and then let's take a look at the fourth trade of the day. Go for longs here, which we hit for like 80 ticks on this or no, wait. We hit for like 120 ticks here, but I wanted to ride it up like longer. I didn't take profit and yeah, I ended up going to break even. So that's the fourth trade of the day. So that's 2 losses, 1 win, 1 break even. And then these trades, bro, I already had this charted out, like this zone, this consolidation zone. And for some reason, I'm entering trades in between this consolidation, bro, which is a big no-no, bro. We should not be entering trades in the middle of a consolidation zone. This was very bad trade, honestly. But of course, it stops me out, and then it goes all the way to the top. Just funny. And then see another bad entry in the consolidation zone. Once again, it went up like 80 ticks, 100 ticks, comes back down, stops me out. Same thing right here. I thought we were gonna finally break out and maybe hit like the open of the day right before news, but bad trades, bro. All the trades in between here were bad, were very bad. This one, honestly, this one wasn't bad. Because it did go like 120 ticks or something. I didn't take profit, so that's my bad, but it was a break-even trade. But everything past that, bro, I should have known to not take. And just very stupid, bro. Very stupid. So I'm ending today red. Uh, I think this is like my fourth red day in the past 3 weeks. So, yeah, like honestly, that's not too bad for me. I'll take this loss in the chin. And I'll just walk away, honestly. How many trades did I take today? Let's see. 7 trades today, bro. That's over trading. That's 4 trades over my limit. 3 trades a day is what I aim for. 3 trades a day, bro. I don't want to go over 3 trades a day. Like I said, first 3 trades of the day, 2 losses, and then 1 win, and then I was break even. I shouldn't have taken any more. That was my 3 trades. That was my 3 trades. The shorts that I wanted finally did come in, and I should have walked away at the 3 trades, bro. That's why you gotta stick to your rules, bro. Gotta stick to your rules. So I'm gonna stick around and see what happens here, but like I'm done trading. I want to see what news does in the next 18 minutes, but I'm done, man. I am done. So I hope you guys learned something from this, because I know I did, and it's just a little reminder, bro. It's just a little reminder. Don't enter in consolidation zones, and follow your trading rules, bro. Follow your trading rules, because once you break it, bro, it can go downhill very fast, and it can just spiral out of control. So I know I learned something. I hope you guys learned something from this. You guys can learn from my mistakes, and I see what I can do better, and I hope you guys also can pick up on that. 7 trades a day. For some of you, that might not seem like a lot of trades, but I try and stick to 3 trades a day. 7 trades is just too much, honestly. Like, way too much. But 14% win rate, bro. It's just one of those days, bro, where I feel like if I enter another trade, it's just not gonna go well. Like, it's one of those days where if I keep stacking like losses on top of each other, it's just a straight losing day over and over and over again. So this is where I walk away, man. Uh, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be live tomorrow morning at market open, same time. And yeah, we're going to be trading with Swush Trading. We have a lot of new people in Swush Trading, which is sick to see. And bro, if you guys want to join Swush Trading, link in the description. I'm closing the Discord at 100 members, so don't miss out, man. Don't miss out. Because after that, we're going to lock in, and free. The Discord will not be free anymore. So if you guys want to join, just check it out. And I'm stepping away for the day, boys. Appreciate anyone that tuned in and dropped a like or subscribed. And I will catch you guys tomorrow morning. And we're gonna stick to our rules, bro. We're gonna stick to our rules, and we're gonna be disciplined with ourselves, man. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the day. And trade safe, trade smart, trade patient. See you guys tomorrow.